The process of creating or producing stone wool is very energy intensive. We take volcanic rock, we melt it at 1,500 degrees, converting it into lava.
How do you take one of the most energy-intensive manufacturing processes in the world and dramatically cut its emissions? This is a story of how innovation and sustainability are supporting a company that has chosen to accelerate its commitments in a period where the general market is doing otherwise.
And we are working in R&D to produce not only the technology, but also the methods that allow us to reduce all of these emissions. We have decided to convert our production into electrification.
Right now, in ROCKWOOL's Roermond factory in the Netherlands, a significant transformation is taking place with the electrification of two of the factory's main production lines.
Roermond is one of our largest factories with about 1,200 employees, and has been at the core of the ROCKWOOL Dutch operations since over 50 years. Over this period, of course, they have been going through a lot of changes, but this one is different. The scale is much larger.
The impact of this change will be a 50% reduction in total factory CO2 emissions. But that's not all. ROCKWOOL is also implementing a number of solutions to reduce ammonia emissions at the factory by up to 75%. All these improvements have been funded by investments from ROCKWOOL Group, with support from the Dutch Ministry of Economic Affairs Top Sector Subsidy Program. All over the world, a series of ROCKWOOL factories are already using some of the technologies currently being deployed in Roermond.
We have reduced our Scope 1 and 2 emissions in about 20% since 2019. We are very proud of that, but of course we want more. That means that we are investing a significant amount of efforts in innovation, which are translated into investments, like the one that we are doing in Roermond.
Every day, ROCKWOOL products are chosen for the resilient properties: fire resilience, durability, moisture control. With investments like Roermond, ROCKWOOL is making sure that choosing resilience is also a green choice.
The path is not easy, but we have decided to do it because it's the right thing to do. It's what the world expects from us. It's what we expect from ourselves. And we believe all of that is worth it.